The title of the most beautiful parrot in the world is subjective and may vary depending on personal preferences. However, the Eclectus parrot, Eclectus roritus, is often considered one of the most visually stunning parrot species. Native to the rainforests of New Guinea and nearby islands, the Eclectus parrot exhibits striking sexual dimorphism. Males boast vibrant emerald green plumage with bright red and blue accents, while females showcase a brilliant combination of red and purple blue feathers. The stark contrast between the genders makes both the male and female Eclectus parrots unique and captivating. Their vibrant colors, intricate feather patterns, and regal appearance contribute to their reputation as one of the most beautiful parrot species in the avian world.